In this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it can be to get some really authentic Spanish guitar or flamenco sounds coming out of your guitar. So in the first part, we're going to have a look at chords and we'll go to a close-up, and I'll show you exactly what you need to do with your chords in order to get some really nice flamenco sounds coming out straight away. Let's begin by taking some chords we already know into a progression. So we're going to start off with just an A minor chord, going to a G, going to an F, or if you want to hold your F in this easier way, that's okay as well, and then we have an E. So we already have quite a flamenco sounding progression there with just those basic chords alone. But we can enhance the strength of that flamenco flavor quite a lot just by making some small adjustments to those chords. So we're going to keep our A minor as it is for now, but for G we're going to go instead to a G7, and that's where you have your first finger here on the first fret, first string. From there we're going to go to this mysterious F. All I've done there is I've kept my bar chord shape, where you have your bar with E major in front, but I simply lift up the bar, so now my first finger is only holding down the first fret on the 6th string, and that leaves the 2nd string and the 1st string to ring open, and when those two strings ring open against that F, you get a really strong flamenco flavor. And from there we're going to go to another very strongly flavored flamenco chord, which is E flat 9. So you're going to leave your 4th finger where it is, and your 2nd finger is going to come up here on the 5th string 2nd fret, and your 1st finger goes here on the 1st fret of the 3rd string, and that gives us an E flat 9. You can hear the flat 9 tonality upsetting the consonants of the chord. So now let's put the progression together again. A minor, G7, F. You see how we instantly get a much stronger Spanish guitar flavor. For this next progression, we're going to apply an even stronger flamenco flavor to the chords. So the basic progression would be going from a D minor down to C, into a B flat, or you could hold your B flat this way, and then into an A. So once again, D minor, C, B flat, and A. Now, in order to really give that a stronger flamenco tonality, we're going to change the chord shapes. And our D minor is now going to be just the open 4th string with 3 and 3 on the 3rd string and the 2nd string, and the 1st string is just going to be left open. So we have from the 4th string down, that's going to be our D minor shape. From there, for the C, you're just going to place your 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th string. It's going to be the C. For B flat, you take away your 2nd finger and put your 1st finger here on the 1st fret, again on the 5th string. So far can you see how we've kept fingers 3 and 4 as an anchor point throughout the progression? And now finally we go to A flat 9. So here you're going to leave your 3rd finger as the connector, and you're going to place your 2nd finger here, your 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, and your 2nd finger here on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string. And so you get a mysterious flat 9, that tonality coming through. So in the progression, it sounds like the final chord should be a place of rest. But it's not, because the flat 9 is upsetting the consonants of the chord. So you can still hear that there's tension or energy inside that chord that has a desire to be resolved, And this is how a lot of flamenco harmony works.